So we're going to adjust the brakes on our e-bike, and basically when you have your brakes and they kind of go pretty far down like this and you're barely getting some stopping motion, what you can do is go ahead and just give some slack or take back some slack from the brake cable here. So all we're going to do is loosen this bolt and pull this down more and make this bolt go up a little bit higher. That will give us less slack on the brake cable, and we're able to stop a lot quicker. So you just get one of these star bits, and you can get this at Harbor Freight. Comes with the there we go. So we're gonna give this a little bit of slack. Open it. Let me see if I can do this. So we kind of move that up. See how we're doing this? Kind of moving this up. Then we're gonna tighten it. And that's it. Now let's try our brake. Much more better.